Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how you can turn this into this in DaVinci Resolve in just few clicks. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, I have already imported the clip and right click here and create a new fusion clip and open in the fusion page. Now after the media in, we'll add a brightness contrast node and now go to the effects in the templates, go to fusion in the looks, you can see the posterize effect and add it. Now after that add another brightness contrast node and finally add the merge. Now press shift plus space and search for edge detect, and now after that we'll add a luma here and then we'll add the invert color. Now finally we will add another brightness contrast node and connect the output with the merge one. Now connect the media and output with the edge detect and select the edge detect, and in the inspector set the mode to gray cycle edges and increase the brightness value all the way to up. Now select the luma here and press 1 to get a preview in the first preview window. Now in the inspector set the filter to multi-box and increase the blur value around 0.63 and also decrease the contract or expand value around minus zero point 0.5 and adjust the gamma value around 1.86. Now select the brightness contrast node which is after the invert color and decrease the brightness value all the way to down. Now select the posterize node and set the smoothness value around 3.0 and also adjust the slider of the steps around 5.868. Now select the brightness contrast and adjust the contrast, brightness or saturation value. You can do your own tweaks or experiments which will depend on your clip, and you can also add another brightness contrast node before the edge detect. Here you can also get permission to adjust the gain, lift or gamma value. You can do according to your clip, whichever looks is going to look best. And I here also adjust the high value of luma here. And now final step in the color tab, decrease the saturation value to 0. Now back to edit page and let's check how our footage is going to look. Okay, that's look totally awesome. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed this one, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.